Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we start chapter number 10, class first year, and the name of chapter is Geometrical Optics. Optics is the branch of physics, and it's the very oldest branch of physics. Optics. What does it mean by optics? First of all, we discuss about optics. And optics is the branch of physics in which we study about scientific study of light. Scientific study of light is called optics, and in which we also discuss about the production, properties and propagation of light. How the light produce, what is the method, what is the how the light produce, what is the method and what is the process, what are the properties of light, just like reflection, refraction, dispersion, and so many other properties in which we discuss here. And it is also known as the propagation, and propagation is how the light propagates from one point to another point. These are the subject matter of optics. All of them study in the optics. So optics is the study of light, production, properties and propagation of light. And now there are two main branches of optics. First of all is physical optics, and second is known as geometrical optics. In the physical optics, we will discuss about the nature of light. What is the light? This is the question. That question solved in the physical optics. What is the nature of light? And the nature of light means what are the different theories about light. Just like corpuscular theory of light that was given by the Newton, as well as a wave nature of light. There are two main theories of light, just like a wave theory of light as well as a particle nature of light. And another branch of the physics that is known as a geometrical optics. And geometrical optics deals with the optical devices, and these devices work on the basis of laws of reflection as well as refraction. And these optical devices are just like a compound microscope, magnifier, telescope, and just like a human eye, a spectrometer, cameras, and so many other optical instruments we use in our common life. And all of them work on the principle or laws of reflection as well as the refraction. So study about optical instruments that work on the principle or laws of reflection and refraction is known as a geometrical optics. And in the geometrical optics, the most important word we will use here is known as a lens. What is a lens? A lens is commonly used in so many, in all the optical instruments. Lens basically a transparent material or a transparent medium, and the lens is bounded in both sides, bounded spherical on both sides, or it may be a one side is plane and other is spherical. And number three is the lens always refracts the light. Refraction. It focuses the transmitted light rays. Refraction of the light. Lenses are used for the refraction of light, and the mirrors are used for reflection of light. So the difference is the lenses are used for the refraction, but the mirrors are used for the reflection of light. There are two main categories of the lenses we are commonly used in this chapter. First of all is convex. It is also known as the converging, because it converges the light at a point, therefore it is the converging lens. And another is a concave, and it is also known as the diverging lens, because it diverges the light rays. First of all, we discuss about convex lens. पहले हम convex lens को पढ़ेंगे. In this chapter, there are a huge discussion about the convex lens. What is the convex lens? This is the convex lens, and that is also known as a double convex lens. And this convex lens is used to convert the light, and the point on which light rays converge or appear to diverge is known as focal point or a principal focus. And these light rays are coming from infinity, and their light rays are parallel, and these light rays are converge at a point, and that point is known as the principal focus. And this line which is passing through the optical center is known as a principal axis. Convex lens is a thicker at the middle. The identification, हम इसको पहचानेंगे कैसे, तो इसका जो मिडिल पोर्शन होगा वो थिकर होता है. कॉमन इज थिकर एट द मिडिल एंड थिनर एट द एजेस. ये अपने एजेस से थिन होता है और अपने मिडिल से ये थिक होता है. तो दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. And commonly there are three different types of a convex lens. It's like a double convex. This is a double convex lens, and another lens, another convex lens in which one side is plane and another side is a convex. Therefore, it is not a plano-convex lens. And in the previous chapter, we will also discuss about this lens is used in the Newton rings. So it is a plano-convex lens. And another is a concavo-convex lens. And one side is a concave and another side is a convex. Therefore, it is known as a concavo-convex lens. Now, concavo-convex, there are three different types of the convex lens. Similarly, what is the concave lens? And now concave lens, it is also the diverging lens. It is a diverging lens because it diverges the whole light. Therefore, it is known as a diverging lens. And diverging lens, this is the kind of diverging lens, and a point from where it diverges the light rays is known as a focal point. Appear to diverge, that is known as a focal point. And these lights are parallel to the principal axis. And these light rays are coming from the infinity or very far away from the lens, and that point is the principal focus, and that line is known as a principal axis. Similarly, concave lens also have a three different types. First of all is double concave lens, and another is known as plano concave lens, and the last one is known as the convexo concave lens. So now there are three different types of the concave lens. There is another example of the convex lens. Commonly आपने देखा होगा कि बच्चे जो है वो धूप में अगर हम किसी एक पेपर पर अगर आप लेंस एक रखते हैं और लेंस रखने के बाद वो कागज जल जाता है और उसके ऊपर एक स्पॉट बनता है, तो दैट लेंस which are boys are using is not the convex lens because the whole light rays are converge at a point, and therefore ignite the paper, and that lens is also known as a convex lens.